Yeah, they can't seminar to your chain. You also a Bema person disrespecting Krimufu Ghana. The Hajj village needs to be built. Anybody who tries any nonsense in Ghana, our petrol just say, I need a see national cathedral. They are penancy into be our support Hajj. Hey, Master, hey. Now there's this story going on around, and it's got to do with a year Honorable Sam Okudzato Blakwa, a very young man. You see the pain with some people in Ghana, especially the tribal NPP fools, they don't understand. They say NDC party, young people have been given opportunities. They don't get it. Now what the party na kwasia makofan kokura osafu mafu aka krebnu wedi 100 no oforia tahwe the age hwe obi ti say eye enkwasiafo ti say Akufo Addo hwe enkofo ani amom position efiri yakoto enti they don't understand why say adena NDC for no monye saa adena mo mfa positions man kokura. The NDC is a modern party. It's a party that is more of a young inclusive party. They are more progressive. The NDC as a political party is not about it's about your competence, your level of intelligence, humility, and willingness to serve. And that is the distinction between the NPP and the NDC. The NDC is willing. They don't care about your age, your tribe, where you're coming from. As far as you have shown that you are ready, you are committed, you are young and you are vibrant, humble enough to serve, John Dramani Mahama and the NDC will give you the opportunity. But the reason why NPP for say every young person in the NDC when your position, they have to go after and say in their party that is not how it is. The older pigs, until I'm catching them last, the shorter the dwarf, the danger the punch. You get it? The shorter the dwarf, the danger the point, and the more the illiterate, the stupidity, the more the stupidity. In terms of the NPP as a political party, illiterate, any omomunko school and a dosun. In terms of Jimino, a dosun. That is why we are here today. Now, there's this video circulating on social media, and we are killing Jandam. Mobile space for Ghana, miracle. Now, this is a video of Honorable Okudzato Blakwa, ordinary minister, a foreign affairs, and I am proud. I am proud of him. Because there are so many people in the NPP because the party see them so much. They would rather give a position to a free Yakuto than to give a young man position. That is the NPP party. They see the party said I just say ebusia and town no more. But the NDC, on the other hand, gave people the opportunity. Sam George, Sami Jemfi, Okudzato Blakwa. See the young people, Felix Ofosu-Kwakye. It's full of vibrant young people who know what's happening. John Dumelo. Look within. Or Pablo, Osha Mana. Look, you can see that this party is very progressive. It's a party that is basically creating a room for the younger ones to come take. Now, in akokuraba na de akokura be hye Jimini ko na de Jimini abehye ho efiri yakoto ko de kwase abehye ho party no omo agimi. They are not ready. Anytime I say 42 years Allah onyankopon ni makumem, they are not coming back to power. Now let's kill this jandam. Let's watch this video.
How do I get an appointment and come to the office? How do I get an appointment and come to the office?
So this is a video. MPP for say, hey, Okudzato, you're friendly for interview. This is governance. These are people who know what they are doing. Okudzato went to parliament. He's stepping out of parliament. And Kwasiafo match Mike. Okudzato, Kwasiafo Kennedy from honorable. They just don't understand this. The guy is a minister. He's in charge foreign affairs. And Kwasiafo match Mike akojina car ho. Okudzato say, if you want an interview, book an appointment. And Kwasiafo, Bujin say, HFM de wo. And I'm just saying, hello FM abontene so any interview. When you go to parliament, there is what we call the media stand. Over US, I live in DC. Every single photographer or Washington DC, yaman opportunities to own my wife and the panel the right to go. So I know how protocols it works. So about parliament is over cover parliamentary proceedings. You need to make sure so NPP you need to first find the aid of the person and tell the person, say, can the person come to their media stand and that we want to question that MP or that minister. You don't stupidly go outside and say, Okudzato, then Okudzato kwakoye jumanu no ejina. Na Kwasiafo wa mamu their interview. Now mwangasa mujina jina bontene no, what shows mposa mu a journalist. So Okudzato ablakwa kachiro mu say, if you want interview, book appointment. Because I cannot stand out here for you to go and misinterpret what I will say here. Because if you want to come and have an interview with me, tell me the areas you want to talk about. Do you want to talk about our foreign the embassies around the world? Do you want to talk about the Ghana Foreign Affairs Ministry, the building? Do you want to talk about the land? Then the minister will tell you this time, come. Now, so when you go to parliament, there is a media stand. Stay there. And it's also contempt. Reach out to the aid of the minister and say, oh, we would like to interview the minister. We are the media stand. If he's about to leave, can you let him know? We are waiting. And then I'm who knows CNN so no. Omoko Congress, they wait. CNN, MSNBC, Fox News, they have a media stand. They wait. They have already booked appointment. So when the congressman is passing, they know they need to stop and talk to CNN. Moya musa moya moa intende no NPP for hey Okudzato you rude. Me say I have told the NPP NDC appointees no, do not fall for the NPP in Kwasia. Don't be enkurasifo. If anybody wants to talk to Okudzato Ablakwa, book an appointment through their aid. So Ablakwa about parliamentar, wait for Ablakwa at the media stand. He will talk to you. You don't foolishly go and stand outside and say Okudzato, na anka we Jimmy Tino so abegina. Who are you people? Obi stab na. No go can something saying. Obi the second one or because that place basically he does not know who is calling and who likes him and who doesn't like him. But at least the places that are officially has been given to a member of parliament to grant interviews, he knows he's secured. Into Okudzato has work to do. Into Muamugu Twitter and Kwasiafo no. Me see, I have told the NDC appointees, you people are supposed to let Ghanaians understand, they say, this is a new era. This is how we govern. And I applaud Okudzato Ablakwa. Next time in Kwasiafo, we will find a better professional way to interview Okudzato Ablakwa. This is how governance is. And it is not like minim the America. I know, because the whole America, or then every photographer and every editor where to go at the White House. So I know. And I've been there. So you cannot foolishly go and stand outside and say, Okudzato, find the official right way. Because when we say people want to do what? Misinform. Oh, you're Okudzato or you're rude. Okudzato, let this be the norm. NDC appointees, let there be some sanity in the system. In Krasi 7 year term. Yeni kumasio no obi abetwe mic abegina kwan ho aka say and honorable now when he saying na kwasi akwati na radio so misinform nipa. No, you need to bring what you want to do. Okudzato did not say his office is not open for a media encounter. If you want to interview him, let his aide understand. He will give you the room to come and interview him. Mengo she Okudzato okwan ho kwasia ebe ye Okudzato Kennedy Japan kwasia pay my friend honorable. Position say so it brings me to misinformation, and I'm sending this warning to NDC appointees in NDC appointees in this is how it's supposed to be. They want a way to soil your names. We know them. I was part of them. They are naturally foolish. The NPP as a political party, naturally they are stupid. Omu de so I instill a word omu radio stations. All the people who are doing Okudzato, they cannot write. They cannot officially send an email or write to Okudzato's aid. Omu to me yet. I say ni momo. So lintin omu they cannot sit down and write and say, I'm writing to the aid of Okudzato. I want an appointment. They cannot write. They cannot email. Inti tete Jimina Okudzato na Okudzato jai di oye. Now say who are you? O say are free ahonka aya ne pese kwasia na mo say ye chichire busia e your online na yebu. Every statement that comes out of the mouth of the minister in charge of foreign affairs is known or it is recognized worldwide. It's Okudzato onjimi you, and it applies to every single appointee of John Mahama. Well, we interview now person parliament, you know. We are journalists. Go quick. Do parliament in term. Try and find the office of Okudzato Ablakwa or any appointee of the government. Reach out to them and say you want to grant them an interview. Where come and stand at the media spot where it has been dedicated for media men. So then they have to talk to you and they will talk to you. Don't foolishly come outside. Neka abana obefono. Namu de muhu fi be Okudzato. Kwasi afo kene di crown friend honorable. Kwasi afo eye omu yasa mbefre Okudzato kra honorable Okudzato Ablakwa. Okudzato kwasi afo mutipe no. Munyina ka mutiribo ma school awakọ nyanse de Okudzato tirim nwanba ebi na omutirim emmoa. We will you be good NPP no. Into someone ready somewhere journalism. Mombrani and journalism 101 speculative journalism and the wa will be cancer enemy you tackle. Yes, because I know they say you chrono. We are not going to allow anybody. This is very important. Let us get this right. We are going to use the right official way to attack anybody who tries to misinform. And we are going to do it legally. We are going to do it democratically. We are going to use the facts here to attack you. We don't have time for guns. We don't have time for a mobane, a ye sikayo. We yamanke a bow, obia mobia or Ghana. No. Hey, Mo amonina nam Ghana kasama NPP. Mo ha, and obia fan zanko obia. Yede no kurano, yede be siemo. Nobody's going to touch anybody in Ghana. Ghana kura also be a triman hotono. Na uya misinformer, uya kromfo on kanu kura. Ya de no krene best say that is what we would do. We are not interested in attacking people. Ya chiwe, ya bowe, ya nisa time or no. We have gone through the mill. We understand how democracy works. Ya who said no kura and ya tumde democracy siwo. It in kwasi afwe. Next time person interview Sami Jemfia, mom book appointment. So when Sami Jemfi press conference, you have the right to ask him question. So who interview Okudzato Ablakwa, book an appointment. He has an aide, he has an office. Say a parliamentar, be at the press box. When he gets there, you can corner him there and ask him questions. And you see, I keep talking about why misinformation and disinformation, we need to stop it. Yeah? Say, what is going to happen? And they say, Nipe bibesa di atro and the kwasiampen di se Akufo Addo ne like and the ababe to Ghana so. And it's I was saying the last time, say Hajj issue ni ba no. I swear to Allah. In kremofo amwo Ghana nyina muntie me. This matter. Hajj Village project is a commercial venture by Ghana Airport Company Limited. And the abaina ma nyina ati ase. Hajj Village no. In kremofo amwo Ghana mu nyina mo break chiriwia. Minuanom no enemo. Onyankopon bebo mo ho ban, Onyankopon be hye mo den. Onyankopon ebetie de amusufre, Onyankopon ebeboa mo ema eye Ramadan way aye successful one. Mashallah, Onyankopon kan ye ho. It will be a success. But minim say inkremofo am Ghana nyina mo break mo fast enyumbre. I want you people to understand something tonight. The Islamic religion, nobody can underestimate the Islamic religion in Ghana. Nobody. Me, as far as I live on this planet, I will protect the Islamic religion and protect the Christian religion. When it comes to the Islamic religion, the disrespect, nipebi epese omudibu etia inkribu for Ghana no, it needs to stop. And it has to stop now. This Hajj village, you know, and the Abaina catch Aban did not lie to us. Aban said the Hajj village now, Chief Imam Akokate sword with the President of the Republic. Eman Kremofo, Impenifo nyina abom paye edi akoma pata ichire no. Aban said a Ghana Airport Company which belongs to you and I. Aban did not lie. John Mahama engineer baby ada anka say or the bottom sika na ebesi Hajj village. Or say the Ghana Airport Company Limited, Chief Imam etua tax. Every Alhaji in Ghana etua tax. Every Malam, every the Imam, every the Penyini Bia or Ghana, or Yen Kremoni, or Yakwara etua tax MEDC, you know. The government of the day say, or the sa airport no, ye citizens, ye tax no, a home faso and ABC Hajj village. If anybody in Ghana atna TV, so tna radio, so tna social media, denigrate the Islamic religion, say monya citizens, and that nobody has the right to build that Hajj, that person should be bent down. Because the disrespect, nimtia, NPP for way, man kremofo, it is enough. Near Tikrom ha, and Akufo Addo say, wa shade nyankopon bi bo. Obesia sore dai am a Christopher, yanka bibia. Yet Tikrom ha, and Akufo Addo say, on tam Ghana sika, and fam koti sa dan no, eyo no ne nyankopon, obepe sika de si, yanka bibia. Yet ha, and NPP for, dear day, eko bubu, abain dan tugu ye, still, yen unite ya inkremoni biankasa. Abain judge for dan e butugu ye, na ye inkremofo sika. Any a Christopher sika, any of this judge for dino. Nanado dan Akufo Addo ne NPP for bugu ye. Chief Imam ankasa. Inkremofo mo Ghana nyina NPP for bu omuso mo Jimmy. O mankasa. Yati ha any ebe hu se nanado dan Akufo Addo atam Ghana sika $58 million. Any ebusa nse adentra. If you say yene Ghana for yen ka se be si cathedral. Eya wo na wo se wo si cathedral. Ehona ma Ghana for yen nyina yebufu ye because sa $58 million na eya me ne wo inkremoni ene me eya Kristoni ye sika ene Akufo Addo wiaye. Yenya a president or say me nkanchire obi asa me amede me bottom sika be si Hajj village. Ofre Chief Imam, ofre inkremofo Ghana nyina say mosumu ye citizens of Ghana. Musika ni yedi si Ghana Airport Company Limited. Sa airport le si wono Chief Imam dia, Kevin Taylor dia, Mahama dia, Kwame Ngo dia, Akoshe Cha dia, enti sa airport na ye gigi inkremoni bia tax. Edi si ye no, ye de ehon faso eba be si Hajj village. Na commercial, kura no enfaso ebaba so no ebeboa Ghana. Se obit na Ghana hat na TV so tina social media. Condemn inkremofo anase edi sa adewe ko compare National Cathedral na obu Chief Imam enimtia ana obu inkremofo enimtia, that person should be burnt alive in Ghana. So obi so ye bema on metna social media TV so no can change inkremofo say almost no citizens to deserve the Hajj village. Nipa na so ye bema no ombre to social media ombre TV so no metna TV so nka say adenti ne de Ghana sika AC Hajj village na yan hwe de oya bema wo Ghana wallahi ye be kun we ketekete wo Ghana because Ghana na yete no obi nchen obi, and nobody can disrespect the Islamic religion in Ghana. Nobody. You can do your politics, you can say whatever you want to say, you can, but don't underestimate the inclusion and the positive impact in kremofo are contributed to the development of Ghana. Because I will check Ghana kra, the amount of contribution in kremofo are contributing Ghana's development. The revenue abba eson faso kwa kitwe bi no manya. I am being honest. Uko sremwa in kremofo oba Ghana omo taxes omotua from the day Ghana by Ghana ebesin ne contribution in kremofo ni intafo enya, it is small. Oba Ghana sika abanyaba abanko edia say Christopher Ndwumadiam ene Christopher Nyomamu ye no o check kremofo a the biggest mosque in Ghana wasn't built by the government of Ghana. In kremofo na kwa abontene ko solicity sika ena abrochirefo besima omo. So when you check the amount of money you did one kremofo the contribution they have made, the commitment, the sacrifice na and you be see a Hajj village. Now, a young man or a young woman in the name of politics, a person or disrespecting kremofo, I swear to God, you will not survive this. Mama yamfa yason to form. Any disrespectful statement, and nipa bi say because of politics. Any disrespectful statement because of politics, because time ana year commission and I say year cut sword for a year, the Hajj village and the chief imam was there. He represented the Islamic religion in Ghana, meaning he is in full support. And this obi be jina social media, obi be jina Facebook. Ebe catch Ghana for say, why are we using Ghana money to build a Hajj village? Or yeah, enemy to Islamic religion in Ghana, and that person should be burnt alive. Because me ameti hey, I will be happy to see your taxes. Yadi abuan krimusum any increment for Ghana, because increment for they have contributed about 80% to the development of this nation. They have contributed. It is also a Bema or Ghana no Umbra TV so Umbra radio so no mbeka say adentina yetam Ghana sikakosi Hajj adia bechi ye be sani pano. And this is a warning, because you see yasoso nyoma bi so Ghana che, and we are not going to allow those things to go on again. The disrespect nipa bi wo NPP mu enimtia ne disrespect the man tafo no, it is too much. The disrespect nipa bi dia man tafo Ghana no, it is too much. We Christians love Muslims, and Muslims have always been tolerant. They have basically every single day. It me do some time be bibi to me see nankremufu ajiatum. Even though they might not like it, but because they want us to live in harmony in Ghana, because they want the peace of this country to be sustained, you know, almost a majority of the time there are a lot of things we do in Ghana and but out of peace, the Muslims will be like, it's okay. So we are taking advantage of that. And NPP phobia, they want to take advantage of that and disrespect the chief imam and the Islamic religion. I swear to God, why we try side or how you be cool we are take it to Ghana, because Ghana na yetino or Sumbi and Chao Sumbi, they deserve the Hajj village. Omo taxes any see Ghana Airport Company. The taxes should be used to build the Hajj village. Me pedi oya bema or Ghana. Ombetina TV so, ombetina radio so. Na ombie na nonka se adenti na yesi Hajj village amankremufo. Because the National Cathedral, kwasiampenyi na o use $58 million, no. You people should go to him and tell him to bring the $58 million before you can raise an issue about Hajj village. Me say, Nanado Danko Akufo Addo NPP ni kwasiampenyi no. Oni NPP for kwasiafo no. The $58 million as we speak. Danya obubugu ya yenkrebo for taxes edisi ye judge for dying muntumi nka ho asem say yenchi nipa na obugu yentum sika $58 million owia ye no muntumi nka ho asem yenkrebo for taxes sika na owia ye. John Dramani Mahama and the NDC oma ka kire Ghana ye don kremofo ye penkremofo ye do chief imam and the Islamic religion waka no kra kire Ghana Islamofo inkremofo omo taxes omutua no also munya ho faso. And in Ghana Airport Company Limited, your taxes ye this year no, ye be you sikani bi near the Hajj village. Me pe bema or Ghana. No abeka say nyansa be ni wom say yensi Hajj village no me pe bema bako. Me pe de so ye bema. De o say already otua dua te se me e kwa me tua dua. De o say already ne bo hye inkremofo agimi obetumi ada omo no. Ombra TV so no any social media embe make that statement and adwin ke be kun. We will burn you and burn your wife and kids alive. I'm telling you, it's a promise. Somebody should start that and let us see who is a man in Ghana. We are not going to joke anymore. You have the right to speak your mind, but you cannot denigrate and estimate any religion in Ghana. In my life as a journalist, I have never underestimated any religion, and it's a specific reason. Tell me, yes, sir. So if anybody tries from Ende, any idea enemy to try and underestimate the appearance of the chief imam at the sword curtain and denigrate and underestimate the potency of the Islamic religion in Ghana. They also a Burma no. On metna social media, TV so nka say on tiasie say ya de Ghana sika ekosi Hajj village e wo Ghana. Ni ahwe de o Burma wo Ghana. Ya de ya kan asem na to ye twen. There's also a Burma person disrespecting Kremufo Ghana. The Hajj village needs to be built. Anybody who tries any nonsense in Ghana, Our petrol say I need a see National Cathedral. Na ya penancy into obi a also support Hajj. Hey, master, hey. Erade Nyankopon. Ana mo ho ya memmobo. Aboatwe. Yembo mo blow job da ntimu ntia ase. Me dia me say, the also a bear man obeso obu nkremufu enim tia no on try. Hajj village, keep quiet. Let us use the taxpayers' money to build a nkremufu sika. The osin nkremufu nya nipa o Ghana no. Ombeka se meme yensi Hajj village no. Because yama kwasie bi National Cathedral because we try and throw. Let any man who is powerful than the chief imam, who is powerful than the Islamic religion in Ghana, there. Now,